In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Meta AI on Instagram. Whether you're curious about what Meta AI can do or you're eager to start interacting with this innovative technology, I've got you covered with some straightforward instructions. You'll be able to follow along easily, and within 5 minutes, you'll be ready to start your conversation with Meta AI. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to Instagram. Ensure you're logged into your account, as this step is crucial to accessing all the features we'll be discussing. If you're not yet logged in, take a moment to enter your username and password. Make sure your login details are correct to avoid any hiccups along the way. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the platform's interface. Depending on how your Instagram is set up, you should either look towards the left sidebar or, in some cases, the top menu. Here, you'll find a section labeled Also from Meta. This section is a gateway to various Meta features, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a list of features and services that Meta offers. At this stage, your task is to locate the option listed as Meta AI. The list may contain quite a few options, but don't worry. Simply scroll through the list until you find Meta AI and click on it. Doing so will initiate the next part of our setup, which is where the real interaction begins. As soon as you click on Meta AI, a chat window should appear on your screen. This is your interactive space where you can begin to communicate directly with Meta AI. To start interacting, type in your question or any prompt you're curious about. It could be related to anything you want to know from Meta AI. Once you've typed out your query, press the Enter key. This action sends your message to the AI. Now, you're ready to start your dialogue with Meta AI. In this chat window, you can ask questions, seek guidance, or explore various topics that capture your interest. As you engage, Meta AI will provide responses, helping to enrich your Instagram experience with its insights and support. And there you have it. Within a few short minutes, you've successfully turned on Meta AI on Instagram and opened up a new world of interaction and information. You're now set to explore and enjoy the features and capabilities that Meta AI offers. Remember, the more you interact with it, the better it can assist you. Enjoy your new AI experience on Instagram, and thanks for tuning in today.